Silence makes people uncomfortable, not because it's empty, but because it isn't. When everything goes quiet, your environment stops talking and your mind starts. Thoughts that stayed buried all day slowly come forward. Unfinished conversations, unanswered questions, things you did not want to think about. Silence removes distraction, and distraction is what most people use to escape themselves. That's why we feel every quiet moment: music while walking, videos while eating, noise before sleeping. Not because we are bored, but because silence feels heavy. The human brain was not built for constant stimulation, it evolved in stillness. Long nights without sound, empty spaces without voices, moments where the only thing to hear was your own thought. Back then, silence was normal. Today, silence feels unfamiliar, and unfamiliar things feel unsafe. So, the brain reacts. It searches for noise, for input, for something to hold attention, because silence forces awareness. Awareness of thoughts we spend the entire day avoiding. In silence, you notice everything: your breathing, your heartbeat, your worries. Things that felt small during the day start to feel louder, not because they grew, but because nothing else is competing for attention. Silence amplifies the mind, and most people are not ready to hear what their mind is saying, so they run from it. They scroll, they play something, they keep sound around them like protection. Noise becomes comfort, not because it helps, but because it hides. Silence does not create discomfort, it reveals it. It shows the mental clutter we carry constantly, and that's why people say they hate quiet places. It is never the place, it's what their mind does, and there's nothing left to distract it. Silence is not empty space, it's mental exposure, and exposure feel uncomfortable, and you are not used to facing your own thoughts. That's why silence feels loud, and that's why we avoid it.